What is grammar? This term is derived from three different words. One, Old French word, grammaire grammaire. 2. Latin word, grammatical. 3. Greek word, grammaticus grammaire grammar grammatical grammaticos and grammat. They all mean written letters or characters, or same rules of a language or study of language. It is derived from a new Latin word grammat, which means written letters or set of rules. There are various definitions of grammar. One, the system of rules that indicate how our thoughts can be expressed is called grammar. 2. A book that contains some dynamic rules about the forms of words in the language is called grammar. 3. The particular analysis, study deeply, of the rules of a language is called grammar. 4. The systematic study of scientific method which provides us guidance and information necessary to learn a language is called grammar. 5. The system or act of putting a right word in its right place in a sentence is called grammar. 6. A set of basic rules that show how the words are divided and combined into meaningful sentences is called grammar. We have some examples here. One, Mateen goes to school. 2. Shafiq will write a letter. 3. Salman is watering a plant. 4. Ali was listening to music.